Check this out. Look, 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 look. Take a look, take a look, take a look. How dirty is this? How I'm gonna fix this out? Look, take a look at the other side. Oh my god. They shipped me a console with the bad HDMI port. Xbox One S with the bad HDMI port. Just a standard Xbox One S. Well, look, where did you take this? Where did you take this? To the desert? To Iraq? To the Saudi Arabia? Where? Where did you go with this console? Was this in your house? Where do you breathe? How do you breathe? I don't understand this. You know what? Let's power it up and see what happens. I don't think we'll get any picture. Here you go. Turn it off. And it came back on. Look, I turned it back on. Spinning like a dirty ass. Look what it says there. No signal. Well, let me show you. Look how it moves. The HDMI port on this Xbox is so loose. Nothing on the TV. Nothing. Nothing on this TV. I'll go ahead and fix it. For those of you that's wondering how it looks from the inside, this is it. I'll give you a sneak peek. Now look at the problem. You remember how I showed you the HDMI port was winging up and down earlier with the cable? Look. How do you like that? No wonder why. No wonder why, because you take it from room to room, a house to house, and you wrap your cable all over your Xbox. And this is what happened. You put a stress on your HDMI port. Just a tiny bit here to protect the pins of the port rest. There you go. There you go, a new one with the fresh legs. That looks like Paris Hilton. This one got no legs. Go ahead and clean the port. And it might look ugly right now, but it'll look beautiful after it's done. Solder makes things look ugly sometimes. Sometimes makes things look nice. But when I solder on it, everything's smooth, just like that. Just make sure when you install the original port, everything's good to go. Smooth right again. So everything's hot and ready. There's the new port. Just install it, just like that. And when I press on button, and just go up and down. And here you go, the new port is installed. I'm just gonna dip it in some alcohol. Here you go, take a look, and now you got a new HDMI port perfectly soldered to the Xbox One S. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and test it out with the power supply out of the Xbox, and even without the CD player, because I still got a Nintendo Switch. I got a fix here with a broken joystick. But let's power the Xbox and see if we get a picture. And the Xbox is powered up, but there is no picture to the TV. Obviously, I want to tell you guys that when there is so much dust gets into your console, that causes other problems. Could cause a bad hard drive, could cause a bad IC chip. So here's a little update. I'll let it run for a little bit. And I see a message right there that says preparing console. But I never got an Xbox ever with the white screen with saying preparing white console. So I'm just gonna wait and let it run and see what happens there. So I waited for the system to finish uploading, and here you go. We got the screen going on now, and the hard drive was not replaced. We still have the same nasty hard drive here.